There's nothing quite like traveling and camping from the back of a motorcycle. For me, it's the perfect blend of freedom, adventure, and pure relaxation. Well, I've got my coffee into me. Pretty nice morning out. A little bit cloudy, but I don't know. I'm trying to get on the road a bit early and hopefully get ahead of the rain. Doesn't look like it's supposed to rain in the direction that I'm going, but it is going to rain in this area pretty soon. So I just want to get out there and get rolling. Again, this town, Saint-Michel-de-Squatec, must have a pretty extensive lumber operation or logging industry here. It just smells like fresh lumber. It's actually really quite pleasant. Just passing by all the fresh cut lumber now. Yeah, the smell is just really, really strong, really fresh, and very pleasant. Today, we are en route from, as I said, the town is Saint-Michel-de-Squatec. Gonna make our way south, down past Fredericton, New Brunswick, and I found a campsite in a town called Gemsag, or Lower Gemsag in New Brunswick. And we're going to make our way there and see what we can find. Hopefully it's as nice as the site I just left. That's the downside of finding these beautiful spots on this type of trip, is that I'm only sticking around for one night and not really able to thoroughly enjoy the sights. Kind of cloudy, but hopefully we can put some kilometers in, get ahead of this rain that's supposed to be coming. It's a beautiful area. It's in the Rimouski area of Quebec. Really, really nice. Lots of forest, lots of water. I had a great sleep last night. The new tent does very well. It's a good job keeping the wind out. A nice body of water on the left here. Not really sure what that is, but it's beautiful. A lot of clouds in the sky, but hopefully the day shapes up to be a nice day. I'll say is there's not a lot of traffic on these roads heading from Quebec into New Brunswick. And the traffic that is here moving along at a pretty good pace. Now, if they need to stop up here and get some gas. Don't want to go too far in between fuel stops. Know the range on this bike. It seems pretty good. If you wish it had a fuel gauge, that would be a nice touch for it. It does have a fuel light. When the fuel light comes on, I think it gives me about 40 or 50 kilometers notice, which isn't bad, I suppose. Well, I've got my gas. Got my groceries for dinner tonight. I also picked up a fire log, so that'll be nice. I'll be able to have a fire tonight. We've now crossed into New Brunswick, and we're getting pretty close to the Gemsag, or Lower Gemsag, which is our destination for tonight. I did stop and get some gas. Picked up some food for dinner tonight, and I managed to find a fire log. I stopped at a couple of spots, but it seems to be a pretty nice night. I wouldn't mind having a fire today. And rather than carrying big bundles of wood, what I've been doing is grabbing these fire logs that you can't cook on them, but you can burn them. They burn great for about 3 to 4 hours, perfect for some warmth and some ambiance at night. And let's face it, camping in the wild, it's a good idea to have a fire to keep any animals away. A pretty good day of riding today. Got wet a little bit, but not too much. Just a few little showers here and there. Well, looks like we might have a pretty nice night ahead of us. Clouds are starting to go away. The sky's clearing up. You get a little bit of rain, but not too much. There's a few showers here and there. We're not too far from our campsite now. Looking at the GPS, it looks like it's just at the end of this road. Looks like a nice area. Brought dinner, but it'd be nice to catch my own. Well, I'm liking what I'm seeing so far. This looks pretty nice. I-overlander has done it once again. It'll be a brilliant spot right on the water. Somebody's got a fire pit there already. This this looks like a pretty good spot to set up camp. Hey guys, just rolled into my campsite and actually just set up my tent and everything, but just wanted to take a quick second and show you this. Look at this beauty spot. Pretty awesome spot. I'm just about to sit down and have some dinner. And today's dinner, I took the easy way out, and I opted to go to the grocery store, and I hit up their hot food section. And today I'm gonna have some chow mein and lemon chicken. Oh, and of course, I can't forget my box of wine. Anyway, bon appetit, guys. We'll talk to you later.